Welcome everyone to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to recover Snapchat password. So to begin the process, open the Snapchat application. Here on the home page, you tap on login. Now you need to tap on forgot your password. Tap that. Please choose how you want to reset your password, that is via phone, via email. You can choose any one of the process for the recovery of the Snapchat. Here, I'm going to go with the via email process. It will direct you to this web page over here. For the recovery, you type in the email address that you have used during the creation of your Snapchat account. Type in that email address, then tap on submit. With this, a verification email will be sent to the email address of yours with the change password link for the continued process of recovery. Now you need to go and check your mailbox. There's the mail from Snapchat. Tap upon that. Here for the recovery, you tap on the link provided. Tap that link and this will direct you for the recovery, where you will be able to provide a new password for your Snapchat. Now type in the new password on the text box. Retype the same password on the below text box for the confirmation. Then tap on save. With that, the reset password process is completed and you have recovered your account for the Snapchat. If you go back and check your mail, you will be notified that the password for the Snapchat account has been changed as well. So this is how you can recover your Snapchat account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.